All right, guys, so here we are. This is the same phone pretty much as the Snapdragon version. This one had some bloatware, but you can uninstall it. It had Facebook and LinkedIn, that's pretty much all the bloatware that are things that I would consider bloatware. But the performance so far, now this is about, the unboxing was done early this morning. So, I mean, I'm talking about like maybe, I don't know, at least 6 hours ago. So I've been using this, and I just think it's the Exynos version. If you're paying full cost, I would go with the Exynos version based on my Galaxy Note 20 Exynos version. The performance is fantastic. It is just like the Snapdragon version that I bought. So, but with this though, the difference is here. So there's a couple of different options for the Exynos version. Now this is the 8 gig, 256 gig model, and it costs the same, it costs actually less than the Snapdragon version. That's something to be happy about. And then another thing is you get the UAG headphones in the box, and you get that super fast charger in the box too. It's just a I say UAG, I mean AKG. I'm looking at my UAG case over here. I just took it out to hold the phone, but that's funny. But nonetheless, I'm gonna use this for probably a week or so straight, alongside one of my other phones, and just kind of test it out. I'm not gonna compare it to the Surface Duo, or I'm not gonna, this is mainly just to test out the processor. I'm not gonna compare it next to the Fold. This is just to test out the processor and performance of this phone in the US. Let me swipe down here. And obviously I get full LTE. It's just the same. It's not 5G, but it's LTE. And I think that's the reason that I'm getting better battery and stuff on these performing well in the US, because I'm not on 5G and it's consistently on LTE. And so with the Snapdragon version, it pretty much flip-flops between 5G and LTE. You know, the weaker signal, so therefore I keep it on Wi-Fi. But nonetheless, I wanted to unbox this thing and just show it to you. And let me get this here. Same, you can tell if you have an Exynos version, because it'll have these little stickers and stuff like there. But you pretty much get, oh, let's check the top of the box. Let's see if there's a case or something in the top of the box. I doubt that it is, but let's just see. Now, just some, nope, no case or anything, but good thing I have cases. But you do get the AKG headphones, and you get this super fast charger, it says, and you know, you get your Type-C. But this is something that people were concerned about, these AKG headphones right here. And you don't get them in the US, and I don't even use my US version of those. I've been testing them out, but I just don't use it. But nonetheless, let's check something here. Yeah, that's what I thought. So you get a little thing with the extra tips, and then you get the Type-C, and then you get the earbuds themselves. I might test these out though. These look pretty cool and white. All my other AKG headphones like this are black. That's pretty cool. All right, so anyway, that is the device. This is the unboxing. I just want to show you that it was here, and I'm going to be using this on the side, testing it out just like I did with the Snapdragon, not Snapdragon, the Exynos 20, the small version of this phone, because that phone is actually real nice, man. Don't believe the hype. And this phone, I got a feeling that it is going to be nice too. Just saying. If you're using it in the US, I don't think you'll see any difference, and you can save money and get more storage. That just makes sense to me. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed unboxing first impressions of the Exynos version of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. See you in the next video. Take care.